Hello friends, hello everyone, once again welcome to back our channel Crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty keep you happy, keep you homes and happy, and may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet summer scatter designs, frog designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to you people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You also mighty you up. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion letter designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, will remember. Pray and bye. Thank you. God bless you.